I will never board a cruise without knowing these tips again. Trust me, these are game changers. Let's dive into some must-know advice for first-time cruisers. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, these tips will make your cruise experience unforgettable. All right, first up, do your homework. Pick the right cruise line and itinerary that fit your style and budget. Researching ahead can save you a lot of hassle and ensure you get the most out of your trip. Whether you're into family fun, romance, or adventure, there's a cruise for you. Each cruise line offers different experiences, so choose one that aligns with your interests. Next, book your excursions early. Those prime spots go quick, and you don't want to miss out. Popular excursions can fill up fast, so it's best to secure your spot as soon as possible. Excursions are a great way to explore new destinations and make the most of your time off the ship. Consider that drink package, y'all. If you plan on enjoying cocktails, it can save you some serious cash. Drink packages often include a variety of beverages, so you can enjoy your favorite drinks without worrying about the bill. Plus, it adds to the all-inclusive feel of your vacation. Pack smart sunscreen, swimwear, and comfy shoes are a must. Don't forget other essentials like a hat, sunglasses, and any medications you might need. Packing wisely ensures you're prepared for all the fun activities on board and on shore. And remember, your suitcase might take a while to reach your cabin, so keep essentials in a small bag. This way, you can start enjoying your cruise right away without waiting for your luggage. Lastly, get familiar with the ship. Download the app for schedules and deck plans. These apps are incredibly useful for navigating the ship and keeping track of all the activities and events. You can also use the app to make reservations and stay updated on any changes. And don't be shy, online forums like Cruise Critic are gold mines for tips from seasoned cruisers. You can find advice on everything from dining options to the best spots on the ship. So there you have it. Follow these tips, and you'll be cruising like a pro in no time. Enjoy every moment, make new friends, and create lasting memories. Until then, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for future cruise updates. Bon voyage!